So right now we have our first look related to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So first up, let's talk about the design. According to the source, Samsung has used the same design in the Z Fold 7, which we have in the Z Fold 6. But Z Fold 7 come with a slightly wider display and a more rounded design, as compared to the Fold 6. Now let's talk about the camera. According to the source, Galaxy Z Fold 7 come with three cameras. The primary camera come with a 50 megapixel, and we have a 12 megapixel ultra-wide sensor in the Fold 7, and we have 10 megapixel telephoto sensor in the Z Fold 7. Now let's talk about the performance. According to the source, Z Fold 7 come with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, and we have 16 GB RAM in the Fold 7. Now let's talk about the display. The Z Fold 7 come with a more accurate displays on both cover and internal displays, with a new display protection and modified hinge that eliminates the crease while retaining water resistance. So if you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe